Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's class, we're going to talk about table in HTML. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. So now we need to create our index.html. So index.html. So let's use the shortcut, which is HTML5. So now let me write h1 should be table class. So now let's go live. So okay, I have it on over here, so let's go live. So now we have this. So let me take this off. Thank you. Now if you want to use table in HTML, you have to use the table element. So with this, HTML is going to know that we actually want a table. So now we need to write what we call the table head as well. So let me actually put comments over here so you can see it. So table head start. So why this one should be end. So now this table head contains the table header row, which comes with the th and what tr. So now since we actually want it in a row format, so we are going to make use of what the tr. Then after that, then we are going to make use of the th, which is going to contain the data of the table, which is the table head as well. So now let's actually write the tr, which is the table row. So now the data our table is going to contain, so th is going to be what Monday. So now can you see it's actually kind of bold with the help of what this th, so now let's also write Tuesday as well. So Tuesday. So can you see with the help of what tr, so it's going to be in a row format. So let me just copy and paste. So this is going to be what Wednesday. So can you see that? So let me do this. So this one is going to be what Thursday. So why this one is going to be what Friday. Now we have this. So now actually, so we are let's actually fill up. So Monday, let's say we are actually doing a timetable for food. So Monday can be rice, Tuesday can be, so let's try. So we need to make use of what the table body, which is what, so this is the table body as well. So table what body start and what, so this one should be hen. Now this table comes with two elements, each comes with what the tr and the td as well. So the tr and the td, you know the difference is that this one is ch, while this one is going to be what td. We just need to write what the table. So over here we are going to write tr, then the td. So we can say this one should be rice. Can you see? So let's copy and paste. So this one should be pizza. So this one should be tomato. So this one should be apple. Can you see that? So this one should be orange. Oh sorry, so this one should be orange. Now we actually have a table. Now to be honest, this does not actually look like a table. So now let's actually give it a border. Let's style it so we can actually see a nice what. So now if you want to give it a border, you're going to come to your table element, which is the open tag. So you need to write the border. So now once you write the border, just give it a 1. Can you see it's actually giving the border, but let's give it 10. Woo. No, we don't want this, so 1 is okay for now. So now over here, now let's actually give it a width. So let's actually give it a width. It's kind of tight, so let's actually give it space. So let's give it a width. So so this, so let's actually give it a width. Okay, so let's actually give it a width. So if you actually want to use this in Mac, it's going to be option. the option button. Then in Windows it's going to be Alt. So let me give it a width. So it's going to be what, 100. Now see, can you actually see that? Now if you actually look, this is not actually in center. Now let's make it to be center. Now let's come over here, so we can say align. Align should be what, center. Now can it actually look nice? So let me actually give it a color. So style attribute, then background color should be what, brown. That's my favorite. So that's my favorite too as well. So now we need to use semicolon over here. So color should be what, white as well. Now we have this. So we have this. So over here, let's actually start over here too as well. So let's actually start over here too as well. So style. So background color should be chocolate. Okay, so the color, so let me actually put semicolon over here, just like a full stop. So color should be let's keep it simple, white smoke. Now we actually have a table, so now let's actually make this one. Style should be align, items should be center. So okay, we have not actually used the semicolon, so learn how to do that. So okay, so it should be text align. Sorry for that. So it should be what, text align. Text align should be center. Now we have this. Now let's actually make this table to be in center as well. So align, so you can make use of align should be what, center. So it's actually in center. So let me actually refresh. So let's zoom in. Can you see it's actually in what, center as well. So let's actually change the body of the background color. So we can see style, background color should be, so let's find it nice. Let's use this. So now guys, this is everything you need to know about table. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe so I can keep making good videos like this. See you next time.